I didn't come up live, so this is the last thing that I did. I framed out the bottom of the closet, and like I said, the reason why I built this closet is the overhead area. The ceiling is about maybe 16 or so feet in the air, and this is the bottom of the closet. Let me close the door. Let me close the door. And this is the bottom of the closet. So all of this right here, 4 feet of this, is just wasted space. So I decided to open it up. Let me take you on the other side, and it's a double door closet. Originally, the door to the closet was here, and I switched it to the other side because of the space between the sink and here. Once the door is open, like somebody else couldn't come in and use the, I just find it was like an obstruction, so I took it to the other side. And I finished framing out this right here. It's a boo-boo. I started to open this side of the wall, and then I realized that on this side is the load bearing wall, so I had to switch it around. So this right here, I finished it off with the sheetrock, and I finished framing it. I finished framing it off with the sheetrock, and what I'm getting ready to do, let me show you. Okay, that's the other side of the closet right here. What I frame it out, kind of bruised the sheetrock when I was putting the wood in, but I filled it in, and this is the area that I put back the sheetrock where I cut it out, and this is where I frame the casing with the sheetrock. And look at this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and tape it and use sheetrock tape it. I'm getting ready to mix the putty, and not the putty, the spackle. I think that's what it is called, and come back and show you. I have a change of heart. I want to go ahead and fill in the bottom with the sheetrock. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I want to go ahead and finish the roof of the closet. I just thought about it. If I finish this off, once I'm putting in the putty, the sheetrock to fill to put up the tape, if I put this here up, it wouldn't fall on the floor and then drying it, making it harder for me to pick it up, to scrape it up. So, because I don't want to double clean. So I think I should go ahead and just finish the bottom right here. So let's go cut the sheetrock. So I already made my measurements, and I think, yeah, let me just go ahead and cut it. I already did my measurements for my space, and yeah, let me go ahead and cut it. And once I put it in, because I'm working, I don't have my tripod down here with me. I do have my tripod, but to stop and work is kind of hard. So let me go ahead and put this together, cut it out, and then put it in place, and then I show it to you. So I went ahead and I closed it off, and I got it quite tight in there. I wanted to cut like one piece, and this is how it is looking. I kind of bruised it here a little bit, so I'm going to use some of the putty to just seal it back in. Here's another area here, but I am proud. Yeah, I am absolutely proud of that cut. So let me show you what the idea was when I said I changed my mind. This is the top, and the reason why I wanted to go ahead and put the roof on top of here is the flooring. The reason why I wanted to put it in, because when I get up in here with the sheetrock putty, honestly, I don't even know the name it's called. All I know, I want it fixed, and I'm doing it myself. So once I get up here, actually, let me show you what I'm going to be using, because I'm going to seal off this side first and then do the on the bottom. So let me show you. So this is the one we're going to use. They said it dries in 45 minutes set time, and it's, the name of it is Quick Set, and it's from a company, Pearl Firm. And this one here, you mix part water, part the Quick Set. I have another one here, like a whole bucket that I haven't used, and that's what I'm going to use to speckle or seal the wall. So this is the pan that I bought. I paid $5. There's another one that's the metal. That one was $15. And I bought the spatula here from the Dollar Tree. And I didn't want to buy anything that was more, because it's not like am I going to be doing this every day? I may find another place to knock out. But let me show you the other one that I have that is pre-mixed. This here dries in 45 seconds and you mix it with water. So let me show you the pre-mixed one. So this is the pre-mixed one, and it's a USG sheet rock all-purpose joint compound. That's compound, that's the name of it. And I have this one here, and but I don't want to open. Actually, this is too damn hard to open. I ain't even tried, but let me go do the other. I'm gonna just mix the water and do. Okay, I know I might need more than this, but this is like maybe 2 cups, and I'm gonna add water to it. I know how it's supposed to look, like a little bit thicker than putty clay. So let me go ahead and mix this, put the water, mix it, and then I'll show you. So this is how it looks, and it's like a thick pancake batter. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I've never done this before, but it doesn't hurt to try, and that's a whole lot of trying. So I'm up in the top up here. Remember this area here that I had cut out by mistake? So I'm gonna put a generous amount on here and fill the hole in. I'm working with one hand. I'm filling it in and I'm pressing hard. So let me go ahead and fill it in, and I come back because I can't do it with one hand. I'm up on a ladder like 16 feet in the air. So let me come back at it. So now that I seal the hole off, the cut area off, I'm going to use this over it to seal off the cut. And this is the way it looked after I patched the hole. This is just a line here that I drew before. But let me put the tape on it and then show you. So I have the last piece to do, and you can't even tell that it's up there, but it's meant to give you like a nice seam and help with the bonding agent. So you just go ahead and you put it like this here, and you just push it in like this. So see how it just disappears? So that helps you. I've never done this before, but it helps you. And I'm using my hand. I'll wash it after. So now that I make sure that this is sealed on here, I'm trying not to put too much on it because I want it to dry in the time. I know I may have to come over it again, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this one right here. Let me see. My phone is gonna be so dirty. Go ahead and do these seams right here, and then come back and show you what we did. Show you, I finished this side here off, and this is the underside of the closet. I thrifted the sheetrock. That's what I told you in the past. That's why, you know, it's a little bit peeled because it's let me show you. These are the sheets of sheetrock here that I thrifted, and it's about 6 pieces. Regularly at Lowe's, this is like maybe about $15 for one, and I paid $10 for all of the pieces that I have right here. This is the closet now with the door closed. And let's go to the other side. So here we are on the other side. Still a work zone. My mask fell. Let me pick it up because I need that. Don't want anything in my eyes. So I did the flooring, and this is how it looks. And I have to remember, this here was open and I had to seal it off. So I am going to see if it's dry and give it another coat and sand it down. I already did the wood framing around, as you see, all around. And I'm about to put in the molding now. And this is how this is going to go to frame out the closet. So I cannot work with one hand and have you on the other. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I would like for you to see it. But let me go ahead and cut it and finish attaching this. See how it's cut at an angle? And cut the other one and finish this off and then come back. Hey guys, so I am finished with the closet, and I put up the molding around the closet, and I am so proud of it. It is my first time doing an overhead, and I think it came out really good for my first time. And if you want to see the other process, I have 2 other live videos. The reason why I did the live videos, because I was up on the ladder and I didn't want to stop and come down. This is the underside of it. The first part I show you is the head, is the top, and this side is the bottom. It measures 57 across, and I cannot remember the height of it, the depth of it, I meant. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be the first to be notified.